Welcome to listeners and my viewers. Under Partnership Act, Section 20. Section 20 explains the extension and restrictions of partners' implied authority. The person in a firm by contract between the partners can extend or restrict the implied authority of any partner. Notwithstanding any such authority of any partner, rescission any act done by them on behalf of the firm which falls within his implied authority binds the firm, unless the person with whom he is be dealing knows of the restriction or does not know or believe it that partner to be a partner. Under Section 20, Partnership Act explains and guides us what will be the implied authority of the partners and what can he say and do within the limits of the Partnership Act Section 20. I will give you a case reference, PLD 1967 Dhaka 35 and other case reference PLD 1968 Karachi 289. By contract, a partner can open bank account under Section 19, subsection 22. Contract means the whole partners of that firm will decide mutually with understanding, and then which they nominate or authorize a partner, he can open bank account in his own name. The public have right to assume act of every partner to be binding on whole firm. These case references are explained deeply that whenever a partner use his authority which is not in properly written statement or written agreement between the partners, the other partners impliedly can decide that this partner will do or can be restricted on that act. So, to avoid the disputes, misunderstandings between the partners, आपसे गुजारिश करूँगा मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और अपनी आरात से कमेंट्स में सेंड करें। इम्प्लाइड पार्ट्स वो इख्तियारात होते हैं जो मानवी होते हैं, लिफ्ट बर्थ में नहीं होते, मगर शराकतदार हिस्सादारान पार्टनर आपस में मिल बैठ के एक बंदे को, जैसे एक्टिंग पार्टनर होता है, तो एक्टिंग पार्टनर जो है वो अपनी इख्तियारात को इस्तेमाल करता है for the sake and benefits of the firm and use that authority. Usually all the partners are the agent of the firm. They are running the business on behalf of the firm. तो ये सेक्शन 20 जो है पार्टनरशिप एक्ट कहता है, इसके तहत हमें चलना होता है ताकि बाद में किसी किस्म के डिस्प्यूट वगैरह अराइज हों तो उनको सॉल्व किया जा सके मिल बैठ के, या फिर आर्बिट्रेशन कोर्ट में, सिविल अदालत में उनके केस हल किए जाते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच। अल्लाह हाफिज़।